In this video, you will learn how to link your Google Drive to your Schoology. This way you can submit assignments that you've completed in your Google Drive. You never want to submit a link to a document on Schoology. Instead, this is how you want to find your documents and submit them. It will create a PDF that teachers will not have trouble seeing. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Schoology. Once you're here, you're going to go to Resources. You're going to go to Apps. You want to go to Google Drive Resource App, which is right here. We're going to approve it. We have to sign into our Google Drive. You won't have to do this every time. You just need to do it the first time. So I'm going to connect. And I'm going to type in my school Gmail account. It's going to ask if you want to allow Schoology to see see, edit, delete any of your Google Drive files, and the answer to this is going to be yes. So you're going to allow it. Now what's happened is my Google Drive is here. Anything that I've saved in my drive will be here. Anything that was shared with me, if I click on this, I'll be able to locate, or anything that is within my drive. Okay, so everything is going to show up here. Right now I don't have anything in my account. That is how you link your Google Drive to your Schoology account.